In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your active status circle color on Messenger. For easy appearance and getting recognized by your friends on Messenger. It's always crucial to change to a different circle color for your active status. To do this, simply head into your Messenger. Tap on these three lines and head into your settings. On the settings page, select this option of accessibility. Head into color filter. This is your default color on your active status on Messenger. To change to any other color, just tap on any other color you wish to change to. When selected, your active status color circle will get changed successfully. That's how easy it is to change your active status color on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.